Kafoodle allows you to seamlessly make your menus digital for your customers to access via a QR code or URL link. There is no duplication of effort as you publish your menus to your web-based app and allow your customers to filter for themselves based on their preferences. You can allow them to access information such as tags you may have used, allergen information, nutrition, or even a full ingredients list. You can allow the customer to then filter for themselves based on the same criteria. All the information is live and linked to your Kafoodle account, so updating pricing or a recipe will automatically propagate through. You can use your QR code on your marketing or paper-based menus to drive customers seeking further information to scan and see. The link could be embedded on a website or intranet for easy access. Interactive menus. Putting your menus in your customers' hands and giving them the power to explore for themselves.